Hello guys, so in this video I will be explaining this lab and what I have done. In this lab, the objective is just to configure account expiration dates and the password aging policies in Linux. These security controls help administrators to manage user accounts, to enforce regular password changes and disable accounts, just to reduce risks uh, or for credential theft. So I'm using the Ubuntu operating system for this. So the first command here as a user uh, gives it access to the script, the shell bash, and gives it an expiration date of the 30th of June 2027. This user called Samson. Since I've already done this lab, I'm going to rerun these commands now with the user called David. This is my Ubuntu VM. I SSH into it from my Mac. So if I change this to David and change this expiration to David, so I have to authenticate as admin here and voila. So I can check this now, information for David, and you can see that the last password change was just today, and the expiration date has been added, and yeah, just some basic number of days before the password expiration, the warning, the user gets the warning for password expiration. He has access to the shell as well. So what I can do is in order to test some of these things is I can just assign this person a password, this user a password, and let's say I give him, this is David. I know you're warning me shorter than 6 characters. That was in the previous lab. I'm getting this from the previous lab. So a typical way to test this is what happens when the expiration date actually changes. For example, if I say this is how to modify the expiration date, I can say for David, change this now to 2022, which has long time passed, David. And if I now want to sue as David and password was David, I say your account has been has expired, please contact the administrator, and you can update that back to the 31st of 2027. And if I sue as David now, David, there I am. So there are many other things you can do, like over here I have, like, you can set the minimum age, password expiration age, and the maximum expiration age to 90 days, and you can add the interactive period. There are many more controls you can add to this. This is about the lab, and thank you for watching.